Most people get this wrong. They think Credit Strong is some kind of instant credit hack. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming it works like a credit card, or gives you quick score boosts. In this video, we are breaking down exactly how Credit Strong works in 2026, step by step, in a simple way anyone can understand. Let's start with the basic idea. Credit Strong is a credit builder product offered by Austin Capital Bank. It is designed to help you build credit history using installment accounts that report to major credit bureaus. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of borrowing money like a credit card, you are making monthly payments into a credit builder account. Those payments get reported as positive payment history, which is one of the most important parts of your credit score. So let's break it down step by step. First, you choose a plan. Credit Strong offers different account levels. Each plan has a monthly payment amount and a reported credit line. For example, someone like Alex might choose a small plan to start building credit slowly and safely. But here's the problem most beginners don't realize. You are not getting instant money access like a traditional loan. The purpose is credit building, not spending. Second, monthly payments. Every month, you make a fixed payment into your Credit Strong account. These payments are reported to credit bureaus, which helps build your payment history over time. Now, this is the key part. Payment history is one of the biggest factors in your credit score. So consistent payments matter more than anything else. In a minute, I'll show you what actually happens after a few months of using Credit Strong, so you know what to expect realistically. Third, credit reporting. Credit Strong reports to major credit bureaus like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. That means your activity gets added to your credit profile, just like a loan or credit card would. For someone like Jake who has no credit history, this can help create a foundation that lenders can actually see. Now let's talk about timeline. Most users start seeing credit changes after a few months of consistent payments. But it depends on your overall credit profile. If you already have some credit history, changes may be smaller. Now the big question. Is Credit Strong actually worth it in 2026? It can be worth it if you are starting from zero credit or rebuilding after financial setbacks. It gives you structured credit reporting and helps you build payment history in a controlled way. But it is not a shortcut. You still need time, discipline, and consistent payments to see results. Let's summarize everything clearly. Credit Strong works by turning monthly payments into reported credit history. It uses installment accounts, reports to major credit bureaus, and helps build credit over time. But it requires patience and consistency. If this helped you understand how Credit Strong works in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit breakdowns like this.